Daniel, and I'm here with another summer sports tutorial. I'm at the Pacific Ocean. We're in Lincoln City, Oregon, USA, and I'm going to show you guys how to swim in the ocean. Now, it's much like my swimming in the pool video. You can watch that. The link will be in the description and on the screen. So the steps you take are much like swimming in a pool, but you're in an ocean, so it's A, scarier, B, colder, and C, much more difficult. So I'm gonna do the best I can. I recommend not doing this unless you are at least a dolphin level swimmer, much like me. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. Come this way. Okay, thank you very much for watching. That's how you swim in the ocean. Try not to open your mouth because it's really salty and it's cold. Stay safe out there. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and make sure to watch that video on how to swim in a pool because that'll be much more informative. Thanks, bye. Just like that. And pinch your legs so you're at the other end of the pool. And then you go back.